Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. We begin today's US 11 segment at New York Mile 130, heading north as we enter the village of Sandy Creek in Oswego County. The village of Sandy Creek is located at the center of the town of Sandy Creek, but separately incorporated. A stream known as Little Sandy Creek runs along the north side of the village. The heart of the village was designated as the Sandy Creek Historic District and added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1983. This designation includes several notable buildings such as the Methodist Church, the First Baptist Church, the Samuel Sadler House, and the Newton M. Pitt House. According to the 2020 census, the village's population was 646, a notable decrease from 771 in 2010. We enter Jefferson County, one of 26 counties in the United States named either directly or indirectly for Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States. Jefferson County is bordered by Lake Ontario to the west and the St. Lawrence River to the north, both of which separate the U.S. from Canada. The county is part of the North Country region of the state. The 10th Mountain Division, an elite light infantry unit of the United States Army, is stationed at Fort Drum in Jefferson County. According to the 2010 census, the base had a population of nearly 13,000. The county as a whole had a population of 116,721 as of the 2020 census. We're also in the town of Ellisburg, which had 3,352 residents as of the 2020 census. we enter the village of Mansville, where US 11 is locally named Main Street. The community was first settled around 1801 and was named for Barzillian Mann, an early developer. The first school was built in 1826, and this was the first school to burn down, with 3 more to follow. Finally, in 1908, the 5th schoolhouse was built and has made it all the way to the present day without any major fires, today known as the Mansville Manor Elementary School. As of the 2020 census, Mansville had a population of 297, on a steady decline since its peak of 494 in 1970. We passed through the hamlet and census-designated place of Pierpont Manor. The hamlet had a population of 212 as of the 2020 census. The hamlet is known for the Manor House, an elegant and secluded wedding and event venue. We conclude today's video at mile 141. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.